Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia Lifestyle, and please don't forget to subscribe. If I'm a returning subscriber, karibu tena na tena. So guys, in today's video we want to sweep this sand that was spread on the cabros so that we can have clear cabros. This sand was poured on the cabros to fill in the gaps. So today we want to sweep it away so that we can have our nicely laid cabros. So that's the work we are going to do today in the village. It's a chilly morning here in Mwea. Yeah, so that's the work we want to do today. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know what you think about today's video. Stay tuned, guys. Oh, collect. Okay, let's collect. Yes?
Wewe nafikiri unatoa sana.
Sasa mtajifunika hivi au mtafanyaje? Nakuja ni kwanza hapo kwa hapo. Uje twende ama? Nakuuliza nataka uje ngapi ndio nipate nikuje na nini basi nini? Sawa.
Jesus Christ.
Ndio. Migiro wa familia yao. Lakini nisikia hapo mkombozi ni kama ni yali kwa baba. Weka para tupisha. 460. Watu wao. Hello. Hello.
Daddy now?
But the one I want to install now, so guys, this is the work that has been done today. We have swept, as you can see, you swept all the sand that was on these pavers. Yeah, and then that short wall that was being plastered is being finalized. You can see here we had a tree stump here which has already been removed. This one here, so this one has been removed here. There are a few more that we need to remove. So you can see this this wall here has been plastered. It now looks very good. So we didn't remove the sand from this cabro here because there's still a lot of activity that is going on and we don't want them to get dirty. So we left the sand, and once this job is finished we'll just come and sweep. The seeding area here that we worked on, this is this area had grass, so we have some cabros that were remaining, so this is what we did here. And because we still have some more, we want to also do some cabro work here. We are just preparing this because today the day has ended. We will do this tomorrow. Just preparing. Our well, this well is very old. I think it was dug in I think in either 1975 or 1976. So the sides were collapsing. So we dug around the well, built around it, and did some plaster. So we are now just waiting for these walls to dry, and then we'll cover. Now what you see here, you know, we cover the well, so the soil and the cement doesn't fall in the well. So tomorrow you're going to remove all these sheets plus the timber that is under them, so that we can cover this well. So the slab is already done, and as you can see here, we have this is our tank here. This is our rainwater tank. So when this tank is full, the water overflows into this well, and sometimes this well gets full. So we provided a pipe here for overflow. Can you see that? Yeah, so we'll extend that to the lowest part of this farm, so that the water can flow away and not backwards. And we'll put some screens so that you know, rodents, snakes don't come in. So tomorrow we'll be putting this the slab on top of this. We'd like to cover, because right now, as you can see, our pumps are disconnected because we have removed the pipes. This is the one that will go on top of that well. So tomorrow we'll have people carry this. It's quite heavy. I don't know how they'll manage, but they told me they'll manage. So they'll carry this and place it on top of the well, and then they will do some finishing as they fix the manhole cover, or the lid on the access hole. So this will be work for tomorrow. So guys, that's the work that has been done today. Amazing work. I really like the work, and I would like to thank you very much for watching our videos and following us. We have amazing content that we are preparing. For now, I've been concentrating on outside the house, on our yard, and very soon we'll be doing some project inside the house. And we just want to ask you to follow us, watch our videos. For those who have subscribed, thank you very much for your support. And those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share. Please share with us your thoughts, share with us your comments. We really appreciate your contribution to our channel. So thank you very much for being with us and for watching our video. Bye bye.